Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make great tasting banana ice cream. And this is very simple. I have 4 bananas. I'm going to use a couple tablespoons or maybe a tablespoon of cacao powder and about a tablespoon or so of almond butter. Of course, you can just use bananas if you don't want to add anything else, but for this recipe, I'm going to be adding the cacao powder and the almond butter to give it some extra flavor and calories. So the first thing you do is I take out the bananas from the freezer, freeze them overnight, and then take them out and let them thaw for 10 to 15 minutes. Because if they're too hard and too rock hard, they won't blend well in the food processor. So I just have a simple small food processor here that I'm using. This thing is about, I think, $35. That's all you need. And so take your bananas out of the freezer. I'm going to use 4 bananas. I'm going to do, I think 2 of them fit in the food processor, so I'll blend 2 of them and then I'll blend 2 more. Let them thaw out. So the first thing I do after the banana thaws out is break it up into little chunks to make it easier to blend up. Then throw the chunks in the blender and start spinning. And it's going to take a few minutes, and what I usually do is I take the lid off and then sort of push the chunks down a little bit if it doesn't completely blend. And as the bananas thaw more, they'll start to blend up. And I think they thawed for more like 15-20 minutes. And then, as long as they're thawed enough, that's the trick, they will start to blend together and go from frozen bananas to banana and ice cream. And then, once they're blended up a little bit, then I add in the cacao powder and the almond butter, or whatever you want to add to it for flavor. And then blend that in. And just after about 30 seconds, there you go. There's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like this content. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll see everyone soon. Bye-bye.